Okay, here we go. I'm going to teach you how to program the panel. We're going to do one sensor at a time. So first you'll click the little screen in the corner. You'll put in your technician code, which is 1561. And then you'll go up here to system configuration. Okay, so here's your first sensor. This is your first zone. With this zone, what you do is first you hit the down button to where it says unused. So since we are doing a door sensor, you'll scroll over to exit entry 1. Then you'll scroll back down. You'll go all the way to all zeros. Now this is when you program the sensor. So you'll hit shift, learn, and then at this point, you go and open and close the door. And then once that is done, you'll hit OK. And then all the numbers will be right here. Whoops. Scroll down. It'll be a new sensor. It'll be on loop 1. Dialer delay. You always want to disable the dialer delay. So you'll hit over. And then down again. And now this is where you enter in the voice descriptor. So since we're doing a front door, you'll hit insert 098. Insert again 058. And now it says front door. Then you'll scroll down to where it says disabled. This is the chime sensor. You'll hit over and do voice. So that right there is how you do a door window sensor. And then you'll just hit edit next and do the next door window sensor after that. With the other sensors, okay, so now let's say you are installing a glass break. You scroll down until it says unused. And then you'll hit the over button until it says perimeter. This is what the glass break is under. And you'll scroll down to hit all zeros, do the shift learn, you'll twist it, you'll tamper with it to get it to beep. Once it beeps, you hit OK. I mean, obviously it's not on here right now because I'm not really doing a sensor. And then you'll scroll all the way down. It'll be a new one. You don't touch that. Dialer delay, you disable. Scroll down, and this is another voice descriptor. So you hit insert 104, boom, glass break. And then you scroll down, down, down again until it says disabled. It will be the sensor chime, voice only, down, edit next. Next one will be, let's do a motion detector. So motion detector, you'll scroll down till it says unused, which you only have to hit the button once like always. But with this, you have to scroll all the way over till it says interior follower. Interior follower is just for motion sensors. So after you do that, you scroll down, down, till you get all zeros. Hit shift, learn, tamper with it till it beeps. Kind of like that, which is weird because I don't know I have any sensors in my house. But we'll just take cancel anyway. And then you'll scroll down, down, down. Dialer delay, you disable. Down. For motion detection, it is 147. Motion detector. Scroll all the way down till you see disabled. With this, you can pick a choice, but we always like to leave it disabled because in that way, every time they walk into the room, they don't have to hear it talk to them because it can get quite annoying. So this will just leave disabled and you scroll down. The next is a smoke detector. So smoke detector, down for it's unused, and then you scroll all the way over until it says 24-hour fire. Then you scroll down till you hit all zeros. Shift, learn, you tamper with it till it beeps, so then that way it catches the signal, and then you hit OK. And then you just scroll down just like everything else. This one does not have a dialer delay, so you don't have to worry about that with smoke detectors. So this is just asking for the voice descriptor. So with that, it's just 084. Fire detector. Scroll all the way down till it says sensor chime. Just hit over. So it says voice only. Boom. Done with that one. Next one. I don't do these very often, but let's do a carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide, scroll down till it says unused, which is always, you're just gonna have always hit it once. Hit over, 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 till it says 24-hour carbon monoxide. Go down till you get all zeros, hit shift, learn, same thing with every other sensor. Tamper with it till it beeps, hit OK, cancel. Well, you'll hit OK, you don't hit cancel like I do. Then you'll scroll down, just like everything else. Voice descriptor, I don't remember what that one is, but I believe I gave you the sheet that has all of them. If not, I will send it to you. Scroll all the way down till it says sensor 5 chime. Boom, voice only. Edit next. The next one is going to be your medical pendant. So once you hit your sensor, you know you're on, you'll hit 6. You're on sensor 6 right now. So you'll just hit unused like always, but with this one, it's 24-hour auxiliary. Because auxiliary is for panic. And we want the medical pendants to have panic so the proper paramedics will show up. Scroll all the way down, past contact. All zeros like everything else. Shift, learn. Hold the button down for 2 seconds till it beeps. You'll hit OK. And then you'll scroll all the way down. This one does have a dialer delay, so you disable it. And then with this one, I believe is 141 medical. That is your voice descriptor. You'll scroll all the way down to where it says disabled chime. We'll do voice only. Now, with those all being done, once you're done with programming all your sensors, you always save the key fobs for last. The reason is because you have to hit go to 0, 3, key fob 1. You scroll down, it's disabled, you want to hit over and enable it. And then you scroll down till you hit all zeros. Boom, learn, hold the button down for 2 seconds till it beeps, hit OK. And now with these, where it says disabled, how it says emergency key, disabled, you want to set it for audible alarm. So that way it's not panic and it just gives them control to arm and disarm their system from the key fob. After you do that, you just literally scroll all the way down until you hit edit next. And then it would be upstairs. Okay, but there should be cat litter upstairs next to the cat food. It's the last of it. I gotta get more. I know, that's fine.
I just threw it all away and there's not that much.
Well, there's nothing I can do about it right now. Okay. Last thing, after you do all the key fobs and everything, you're gonna hit go to again. And you're gonna put in number 26. Now, this is for select auto stay. We don't want the panels to be on auto stay because then the alarms won't work properly. So you always want to hit over once to disable it. So then that way when they hit away, their alarm actually goes off for away. And then after you do that, you just hit end. And then you get everything down. You hit exit. And then you hit OK. Don't listen to this. You'll just hit OK. Okay.